Hey guys, welcome back to the Commodore Cartel YouTube channel. I'm Brad, Marcus is behind the camera. It is 11:36 at night on a Friday, 6th of November. We're deciding it's a good time to film a YouTube video. So we're just going to be doing a quick run through of my Series 2 VE Commodore. And yeah, let's get right to it. Alrighty, so just a bit of a background story on the car. I bought it with 210,000 on the clock. It ran like shit. Pretty much needed the timing chains replaced. Did the timing chains and injectors. It ended up fouling up the injectors again. So I ended up doing the injectors for a second time and also doing both Cadillac converters. And then it actually ended up blowing up the motor. So it does have a fresh wrecker engine in there. Yeah, up the wreckers. And now she runs like a dream and needs a clutch. Alrighty, so getting me started, my suspension setup, I do have triple SL king springs in the front and double SL king springs in the rear on Monroe shortened shocks. On the VK Performance wheels, they are 20 by 9.5 front and rear, running 235s in the front and 275s in the rear. Coming down to the back, I do have the not legal darkest tint you can get. It is a limo tint the whole way around, so it's pretty much pitch black at night. The trusty old GM roof spoiler adds a little bit of a subtle flavour to the car, and also the stubby little aerial, $7 off eBay. Coming around to the back, the Series 2s do have the factory SSV lights out of the Series 1 cars, VEs, sorry, so it does add a nice little touch. All the chrome pieces on this car have been plasti dipped by the previous owner. It does look alright, it does need redoing soon though. Coming down to my exhaust setup, I do just have muffler deletes with a J-pipe on top, with the twin 2.5 inch out. Ooh. So yeah, the quad setup on the back, she is overfueling a little bit at the moment, tune's slightly off, but that is getting fixed. But other than that, she's dyno tuned to 187 kilowatt at the rear wheels, and that is about all. Alrighty, so Marcus has done a comparison on the Commodore Cartel YouTube channel with the difference between straight pipes exhaust, X-Force mufflers, straight through exhaust, and J-pipes. Pretty much I do have J-pipes on this vehicle, so I'll show you what that sounds like now. Just ignore my engine mount. So yeah, that's what a J-piped VE sounds like in an undercover car park.
We just disturbed the peace, didn't we?
Indeed. More than just the peace. Thank you for tuning in to the Commodore Cartel YouTube channel. We'll catch you next time.